Here we are on our jingle journey. We are going to learn about the amazing world of animals and how they help the jingle. Let's begin with the strong elephants. In the woods, elephants take care of the plants and animals. Did you know that they are very important for getting seeds to other places? As they move through the bush, they eat plants and fruits. These seeds from those foods end up in their poop. This keeps the jungle green and healthy by helping new plants grow. Next up, we have the playful monkeys. Monkeys are tiny helpers in nature. They love to eat bugs and other pests that are on each other, which keeps everyone clean and healthy. But wait, there's more! Fruits and nuts are also great snacks for monkeys. After they eat, they often drop seeds on the ground, which helps new trees and bushes grow. Now, let's talk about the buzzing bees. Bees are very important to both us and the jungle. They are very good at pollinating plants, which means they help flowers make food and seeds. Did you know that many plants would not be able to produce without bees? Like apple and mangoes, bees produce that. Moving on to the majestic tigers. Did you know that tigers are top-notch predators? They help keep the balance in the jungle by controlling the population of animals like deer and wild pigs. Without tigers, these animals would multiply rapidly and eat up all the plants, causing big problems for the jungle ecosystem. Last but not least, let's not forget about the tiny but mighty ants. Ants are very hard workers, even though they are small. The tubes and homes they build underground are very complicated. These help the soil breathe and get water to plant roots. Ants are also great at scavenging. They take dead bugs and other organic matter and turn it into rich dirt. As you can see, each animal in the jungle has a specific job to do to keep the environment healthy and balanced. All living things, from big elephants
to tiny ants have their own special jobs to do. Remember to enjoy the amazing animals around you the next time you go for a walk in the woods. Thanks for joining us on this jungle adventure. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun and educational videos. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Goodbye!